Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this video I would like to show to you how to set up your document when you print to correctly. ជំរាបសួរអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នានៅក្នុងវីដេអូនេះដែរខ្ញុំចង់ធ្វើការបង្ហាញអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាទាក់ទងពីរបៀបក្នុងការ set up នៅឯកសារមុនពេលដែលយើង print ដើម្បីឲ្យវាត្រឹមត្រូវពិតប្រាកដ So that for example I will be pick up a document Word yes to for example ចឹងខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើការជ្រើសរើសកម្មវិធី Word ដើម្បីធ្វើការឧទាហរណ៍ឲ្យអ្នកនរគ្នាធ្វើការមើល First of all we need to go to the home and then check about the layout okay and then go to page and app ជាដំបូងអ្នកនរគ្នាចូលទៅកាន់ layout មកដើម្បីធ្វើការកំណត់នៅ page and app របស់វា so that for Cambodia we use A4 paper so you select on the paper and then you check A4 so it depends your real situation that your company your organization use this paper for example I use A4 I select A4 okay and then it will be show you about the width and height then you click margin okay margin okay you select about the size that you prefer for example I choose click top I select one yes one song cm yes and then at this one I click 1 cm2 yes and then this one top and right okay ចឹងអ្នកនរកំណត់នៅក្នុង page and app ហើយយើងមកកំណត់នៅក្នុង margin នេះដើម្បីឲ្យគេមកសងខាងហើយនេះ margin is the kind of the okay like this yes margin that we allow you to blank document when you want to get her you want you to do something yes it show you about the space yes you don't have the text អញ្ចឹងនៅក្នុង margin នេះគឺវាមាននៅget her នេះដូចជាយើងស្រាលសម្រាប់ទុកចន្លោះមួយដើម្បីយើងធ្វើការកឹបប្រភេទឬក៏ផ្ទៃទំនេរមួយអញ្ចឹងណាបាទហើយយើង complete កំណត់ជាពិសេសនៅត្រង់កន្លែង paper នេះណាហើយគេយើងកំណត់រួចហើយអ្នកនរគ្នាកំណត់នៅក្នុងការងាររបស់យើងរួចហើយអ្នកនរគ្នាចូលទៅកាន់ម៉ាស៊ីន print របស់យើងអូខេអញ្ចឹងនៅពេលដែលយើងធ្វើការម៉ាស៊ីន print របស់យើងនេះយើងចូលទៅ file អ្នកនរគ្នាទៅមិនចុចទៅ home ហើយយកពាក្យថាកន្លែងនេះមិនអញ្ចឹងហី print preview so that you go to the print preview you will be select about the A4 right so make sure that your document is A4 and then click print property okay for example I use the Canon LBP 2900 yes so I select A4 right yeah choose A4 you make sure your paper is A4 okay and then you can go to the printer first yeah to make sure printer is already set about A4 already or not sometimes it's your paper is already set about A4 the your document but the printer still different so it is the same so you should to make sure the printer and document has been already set okay in the same now I go to the printer yes so tie the print okay or you can go to control panel yes I go to control panel first ចឹងយើងអាចចូលទៅ control panel នេះមកអញ្ចឹងបើសិនជានៅក្នុងកន្លែងกระดาษរបស់យើងដាក់ជា A4 ហើយយើងត្រូវកំណត់ច្បាស់ថាតើនៅក្នុងការងាររបស់យើងនៅក្នុងprinter របស់យើងនឹងវាបានកំណត់ជា A4 ហើយនៅក៏អត់បើសិនជាវាกระดาษរបស់យើង A4 មែនប៉ុន្តែបើសិនជាម៉ាស៊ីន print យើងមិនបានជា A4 ទេក៏វាមិនដំណើរការត្រឹមត្រូវដែរអញ្ចឹងវាខុសអូខេវាអត់ត្រឹមត្រូវទេវាខាងនេះវាខាងនោះអញ្ចឹងណា okay so then I go to view the white printer this one is model printer yes this one yeah this one I use this right so I click on it Yeah, I click property. Yes. Okay, this property, and then we will of function general. Okay, advanced acknowledgement, security, and device setting, and profile. Okay, click. So you check this one. Yeah, you should even is A4, right? Yes. Okay. This one, right? Okay. This one you click reference and then change. Yes, must to change. This is to the A4, right? Is this one not A4? Is this one is letter. When you print, it's still incorrect also. Okay, not correct. Okay, it will be machine or your page. Yes, it's not the same that you prefer. Okay. ចឹងបើសិនជាយើងមិនបានកំណត់ត្រង់ទៅម៉ាស៊ីន print មកប្រកបម៉ាស៊ីន print របស់វាត្រឹមត្រូវទេក្តារវាត្រឹមត្រូវទេចុះពេលវាចេញមកវាដូចអ្វីដែលយើងបានព្រៀងទុកនេះអ្វីដែលយើងបានរំពឹងទុកទេអូខេ so that after you select you click OK and then OK so that make sure okay when you print and then try to test print but now I don't want to check it again but okay so when you preview it's doing the same right sometimes if you free view it's the same yeah it's that you think is good but when you print out it's still incorrect because when we don't do not yet to set up about the printer that I show you a moment so do it again yes to make sure on it both it should to similar អញ្ចឹងអ្នកនរគ្នាត្រូវតែកែប្រែវាហើយឲ្យពីរនឹងឲ្យវាត្រឹមត្រូវវាដូចគ្នាអូខេ My name is Rorfin yes thank you very much and also if you like this video please help me to subscribe to the YouTube channel and also I will release my video when you subscribe you will be saw you will be see all video that I release thank you very much see you in the next video